to cancel Hinge Health plan step by step. So the first thing that you need to do is simply open your Hinge Health application, or you can even use the web version of it, right? So after opening the application or web version, you'll now need to make sure that you're logged into your account. So once you're logged into your account, now what you can do is simply tap on the account icon right here on the bottom right corner. Then from here, you'll be able to get into settings or your account settings, right? Then after doing that, here, keep on scrolling until you find the option of contact care team. And then what you're going to do is simply tap on that one, and then you can now live chat with them or simply chat with them in order to pause or close your plan. So what you're going to do is simply tell them to pause or close your plan, and they will be able to do that for you. Or you can even like mail them on help@hingehealth.com. You can simply send them an email saying that you actually want to close your plan, or you want to pause or cancel the Hinge Health plan, and that's all you need to do.